Iran unveiled its new of-name Gaza, claiming it can reach distances of thousands of kilometers. Iranian drones are inducted into Iran's army in Tehran, Iran, January 22, 2024. Iran revealed a new unmanned aerial vehicle called Gaza, claiming that it can carry up to 13 bombs and is equipped with a turbojet engine that can reportedly propel it to distances exceeding thousands of kilometers, putting Israel within range of the new technology. The new UAV is an upgraded version of the Shahd 129 model, which was first introduced in September 2012. It resembles the Israeli Hermes 450 UAV, but is larger. Iranian sources estimate that the UAV can carry more than 8 bombs and is designed to target both mobile and stationary targets. Capable of carrying Saad-1 missiles, Iran's new instrument of war becomes their second UAV capable of such missile capacity after the carrier. Since the lifting of UN restrictions on Iran's missile and UAV exports in October, Tehran has been increasingly marketing its military arsenal internationally, raising concerns among the US and its allies. Tehran has been supplying weapons to its allies in the Middle East for years to support their activities. Recent Iranian defense deals include an agreement to sell short-range ballistic missiles to Moscow, according to American sources, and the transfer of suicide UAVs to the Sudanese government. The quality is mediocre, but it's half the price, said a senior Sudanese official, when comparing the new Iranian UAV to its competitors. "I'm very impressed with their medium-range missile technologies," said a senior Qatari Air Force officer. Iran's new UAV represents an effort to surpass the US-made MQ-9 Reaper, which in 2020 was used to eliminate Qasem Soleimani. Meanwhile, a ranking commander in the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Defense Force, IRIADF, a branch of the country's army, has announced implementation of key enhancements to one of the force's advanced indigenous defense systems. Brigadier General Mohammad Yousefi Koshkalb, IRIADF's deputy commander for coordination, announced the developments on Monday regarding the force's Rassel Messenger air defense system. The system joined the country's integrated air defense network last December, after undergoing relevant technical and operational tests. It operates IRIADF's Carrier, Striker, unmanned aerial vehicles, long-range interceptor combat drones that are armed with the force's Majid air-to-air missiles. Addressing the enhancements effected in the system since its inauguration, the commander pointed to improvement of the drone's operational range, including altitude capability as well as the range of the aircraft's radar system and its optical range. In addition, the aircraft has been made capable of integration with various defense systems, including the Integrated Air Defense Network's command and control system and other various radar and combat systems, he noted. According to Koshkalb, the aircraft can also now be armed with multiple various missiles other than Majid that could be deployed in proportion to various operational and terrain circumstances. "We have increased both the variety and the number of the missiles, in light of the needs and varying importance of different air defense zones," he said. Also on Monday, the IRIADF's commander Brigadier General Alireza Sabahafard said the use of indigenous systems, which had been created amid decades-long sanctions imposed on the country by the West, was the superior factor in the country's air defense power. A senior Iranian commander says the country's air defense continuously monitors the busy skies of the Persian Gulf. He asserted that the Air Defense Force had become self-sufficient in the field of producing detection, surveillance, and signaling systems, as well as training manpower.